Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce is from Group 8 of the Microprocessor and Microcontroller course with the lecturer Mr. Wahid Pribadi. Here we will expression experiment 6 simulation of propulsion motor speed control to push button indirect input. And before that, introduce my name is Vipang Putra from class 40 and from Railway Study Program and friend.
My name is Dimas Bayu Saputra from Railway Engineering Class 40.
My name is Nevi Afi Sujana from Medium State Polytechnic and the 40 class railway study program.
Okay, thank you, my friend. Here, my friend Dimas will explain the circuit in the Proteus. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vico. Firstly, I will explain the circuit on the Proteus. In this circuit, there are two switches, and the first switch is function as a source. There is a battery of 24 volt, and there is a switch connected to optocoupler, which has a resistor of 10,000 ohm. And the emitter of the optocoupler is connected to pin A0, which has a resistor of 1000. And on switch 2, which function as a source for the motor, the circuit is the same as with as switch on as switch 1, but on switch 2 it is connected to pin A1. Okay, on pin 30 it is connected to as a resistor of 100 ohm and connect to the collector. The collector leg is connected to the battery of 12 volt, and the emitter is connected to relay 2, which is connected to the motor. On and on pin 12 as resistor 1 of 1000 ohm is connect, and a green LED light is a sign that the motor is running. On resistor 2 on pin 12 of 100 ohm, it is connected to a collector with which is directly connect to the battery of 12 volt, and the emitter is to relay 1, which is connect to the motor, and the ground on the circuit is connected to the battery. Thank you. And next, my friend Vico will explain the program to running this motor in Arduino IDE. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my friend Dimas. And here I will discuss the program in the Arduino IDE software. First of all, enter the input. Input pin 1 is 12, pin 2 13 and circular one is A0. This open mode in direct on or off. And define circular 2 is A1 spin mode in direct motor DC. For setup, for setup section is using the setup pins as input or output. This pin 1 is output, pin 2 is output, shafter 1 is input, and shafter 2 is input. And void loop, this void loop is the run and the program constantly. This if the guitar shafter 1 is low and 0, and the guitar rate and shafter 2 is 0, and the guitar rate pin 1 is low and guitar red pin 2 is low. And press F di guitar red sakar 1. This 1 is high and the guitar red sakar 2 is 1 high. And the guitar red pin 1 is high and the guitar red pin 2 is low. And press F di guitar red sakar 1 is high and the guitar red sakar 2 is 0 and CCW atau clock counterclockwise. Yes, clockwise di and SF the guitar rate sakar 1 is the 0 or low and the guitar rate sakar 2 is high. This is a 1. The guitar rate pin 1 is low and the guitar rate pin 2 is low. Okay. After that we select the Arduino Uno port. Arduino Uno. Okay. And okay, this compile in the program, upload, and okay, copy the part in Proteus. This copy height, copy, and paste in the Proteus and the simulation. Okay. Okay. And Dimas, the next simulation in the program Proteus. Thank you.
Okay, next, after the coding result are complete, we'll input the coding result in the Arduino. Then we run them according to the coding command. If push button 1 and push button 2 are not pressed, then the switch is open and the motor doesn't rotate. If push button 1 is pressed and push button 2 is not pressed, then the switch is open and then motor rotates CCW. Okay. Finally, if push button 1 and push button 2 are pressed, then the switch will close and the motor will rotate CCW. Okay, thank you. After the simulation result in Proteus, we will then create a graph in the Excel and my friend Nevi will explain it.
Yes. Next is the explanation of the high and low graph. Input switch 1, press button 1 on and off leading to a 0 and press button 2 clockwise and counterclockwise. At the input of switch 1, when the red light is off, the yellow light and green light are on. At the input of switch 2, the red light is off and the yellow light is on and the green light is off. Then the output is clockwise. The red light is off and the yellow light is on. And the green light is off and output counterclockwise. The red light and the yellow light turn off when the green light turn on. That's all for the presentation from your group. Thank you.